Let us now do the character sketches for the characters in the story Hunger. So first let's understand a little about Qasim. So Qasim was basically a middle-aged hawker strolling around in the streets of Afghanistan trying to sell second-hand clothes, and he had a family to feed. Okay, so he was a very illiterate man and he had no resources to tackle the poverty and the hunger that Afghanistan was facing. Next, he slogged to make a living. He worked day and night and yet he couldn't make enough to feed a family. So, no resources to tackle poverty and slogs to make a living. Next, he was hopeless. He had no resources, he had no education, he had no talent. All he had was his clothes, his second-hand clothes. So, he was very hopeless about it, that what would happen in the future. Even his son would have to continue this very job after him because even he was not going to school. So, he was completely hopeless. And this hopelessness resulted in frustration and anger. So he was very frustrated and angry with all that was happening with him. He thought that he deserved better. Next, he was very resilient. How can we say that? You know, when he was faced with such a difficult situation of tackling hunger, of tackling poverty, in such a situation, he did not give up hope. He did not completely disown his family, or he did not completely give up on life. Rather, he stood right in the face of the challenges and tried, at least tried to solve it. Next, he was glum and suspicious, again because of all the hopelessness, frustration and anger that had accumulated inside him. He became more glum and suspicious of everybody around. Also in Afghanistan those days, the atmosphere was such that you could trust nobody. So that is another reason why he became more and more suspicious. So let's quickly just revise Qasim's characterization. No resources to tackle poverty. He slogged to make a living. Hopeless, frustrated and angry. Resilient, glum and suspicious. Moving on to Rizwan. So Rizwan was a talented upcoming journalist who wanted a job in a newspaper. So he had some talent, he had knowledge. So he was better equipped to tackle poverty and hunger. Although he was not out of the people who were hungry, who had to feed their families, yet he was very well equipped with knowledge so that he could tackle it. Next, he was hopeful for his future because he saw that, okay, if this interview of the newspaper went well and if he was able to collect all the interviews that were required, then he would get a job and in time he would be able to feed his family. So that resulted in his hopefulness. Next, he was optimistic, again because of the very same reason. Also, he was convincing because as we saw that Qasim was very glum and suspicious. So even after that, he kept coaxing Qasim that, he wanted the interview. So he was very convincing. Again, he does not give up and is unfaltering. He knew that he had to get the interview, else his hope would die away, his knowledge would go to waste, and his family would be left to hunger. And because of that, he did not give up.